How can my relative leave out estranged siblings and reduce the chance of a will contest? In North Carolina, a competent adult can leave estranged siblings out of a will. The key is to make the will hard to attack later. The best option is usually a typed, attorney-prepared will signed with 2 competent, disinterested witnesses and a notary with a self-proving affidavit. The will should clearly say that the siblings are intentionally omitted without adding emotional accusations that could fuel a dispute. Your relatives should meet privately with the attorney so there is evidence that the plan is truly their choice, not pressure from a caregiver, beneficiary, or family member. Capacity also matters. Your relatives should understand that the document is a will, generally know what property they have, know which family members might expect to inherit, and understand who they are choosing instead. Trouble speaking after a stroke does not automatically prevent a valid will if your relative can still understand and communicate reliably, such as through writing yes or no answers or another clear method. A handwritten will may be valid in North Carolina, but it often creates more room for a challenge. If time allows, use a formal attested will, document capacity and communication, keep beneficiaries from controlling the signing, and store the original will in a safe, known place. After death, an estranged sibling may still try to challenge the will, but these steps can greatly reduce the chance of a successful will contest.